Hey everyone, Spencer Kaufman here with How To Video Channel. Today I'm going to show you how to test your pool water. So we have a Summer Waves. This is a 13-foot above ground pool, and we have a Varify pool and spa test strips. This is 7-in-1. You get 100 test strips in this box. Tests out hardness, chlorine, free chlorine, bromine, pH, alkalinity, and cyanuric acid. So let's get this going. Right here we have 100 test strips, and then it came with another pack of 50 refills. So that's cool. So we got the 100. Here's what it tests for. This is a very, very easy process. You take one of these strips, you dip it in for a couple seconds, you wait 30 seconds, and then compare it. So let's see what this looks like. Here's our strip. Okay. Right now, they're neutral. So we got it all right there at 0. We're going to dip this in. Instructions are also on here. Directions. Dip it in for 2 seconds. Hold it for 30. Do not shake the water. And then compare. So right now, you can see we're at neutrals. Let's dip it in for 2 seconds. Okay, it's been in 2 seconds. We will wait for 30, but you can see it's already starting to change. So, and it tells you the OK levels. OK, 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 ideal, different here, OK, OK, and OK. So, we'll see how this is looking right now already. Total hardness is looking like it's in the OK section. Free chlorine, looking like it's in the OK for pool. It's these two. All right, then we get to total chlorine. We're in the ideal section. That's pretty nice. Cyanuric acid, we're looking in the OK. Total alkalinity, OK, maybe even a little much, a little high. pH level is also looking maybe, well, it might be okay, maybe a little high. So there you go. This is a very, very easy, cool way to test your pool. It's by Varify Pool and Spa Test Strips. You get really 150 in the box, so check that out. Also, if you need a pool right there, you need a pool cover, this is an excellent one. So you can check all that out. I'll have it in the description below. But that is it. That is how to test your pool water. If you have any questions or comments, please post them below. Thank you.